to reach $35.5 billion for the region. Jamaica is attaining the critical mass to maintain its competitiveness with increased room stock, availability of airlifts, and easier transportation via sea, air, and land. We already have a strong brand, an appealing natural environment which we must do everything to preserve, and exceptional human talent and cultural assets. Hard work and passion will also play an important role in the growth of this sector. But I want to also say, in joining with my Minister of Tourism, last week I was in Montego Bay as well. This time not opening anything, but meeting with various stakeholders in the sector. The product is growing. It is expanding. The challenge with that is that the supporting infrastructure, much of which was laid 50 years ago, as Minister Chan pointed out, cannot sustain the next growth spurt of 50 years to come. And so there will have to be fundamental reorganization, redevelopment, and new infrastructure put in place to support the next 50 years of growth in tourism in Jamaica, but specifically in Montego Bay.